Hey everyone, Jason here. Welcome to my knot channel. In this video, we're going to have a look at the shake hands bend, which is a very interesting way to tie two ropes together. There are a few ways to join two ropes which have the overhand knot in their structure. So I thought we could have a quick look at the three most common, but focus this video on the shake hands bend. The most popular method of tying two ropes together is the Zeppelin bend. To tie the Zeppelin bend, start by creating two opposing loops, one shaped like a 6 and the other shaped like a 9. Position the loops by placing the 6 over the 9. Pass each working end around and through the loop on the opposite side. You can see the overhand knots in the structure as we cinch up the knot. The Zeppelin bend is one of the best bend knots, known for being easy to untie even after heavy loading. A similar knot is the hunter's bend. Let's have a look at how to tie it. Start with a bight in the left hand rope. Pass the working end of the second rope around the bight. Tie an overhand knot in the right hand rope and tuck its working end under the standing part of the left rope. Now tie an overhand knot in the left rope and thread its working end through the first knot. Hold both working and standing ends and pull to cinch the knot securely. And there we have the hunter's bend. Now let's have a look at the similar shake hands bend. So the shake hands bend is similar to the Zeppelin and the hunter's bend, but it's distinct because its working ends lay parallel to the opposing standing ends. To tie the shake hands bend, the process begins by forming an underhand loop resembling a lowercase b. From there, the second rope passes through the first loop, forming a lowercase d. So again, in essence, we have that 6 and 9, like we did similarly with the Zeppelin bend. When tying the shake hands bend, the alignment of your lines is important. The working ends must be on opposite sides. B has it on the bottom, and D has it on the top. From here, each end is threaded through both loops in a way that keeps them parallel to their respective standing parts, as shown here. To cinch the knot, pull on both working and standing ends separately to ensure proper form. And here we have the shake hands bend, with the tail ends pointing parallel to the opposing standing ends. With the tail ends long, it's easy with the shake hands bend to add a backup knot to both sides and create a beefed up shake hands bend knot. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Can be challenging and rewarding. If you'd like to develop some skills and learn knots, then I recommend becoming a member of Knot School. Knot School is the only membership-based fraternity and learning resource for learning and sharing knowledge about knots.